Looks like a card here from High Hemp right here. It says, "You have been specially selected to get baked. We invite you to enjoy baked cookies." Hello and welcome to a fun and exciting day at my house. Cheers. So before I get into this video, I want to let you know I don't usually do unboxing videos, but I don't usually get really sweet packages from really sweet companies all the time. So we're going to try something new here today. It's been a while since my last product review, and I want to get into this. So I've been tobacco free for at least like 4 years right now, and have exclusively been using hemp-based products. And some are better than others, but none is quite like High Hemp wraps. So High Hemp was kind enough to send me this mystery box, and I want to get into it right now with a little unboxing. See about what's in this thing. Oh man, it's my favorite time of the day, y'all. On the top, there's a little oven motif with the High Hemp burners and the adjustments. It's 4:20 right now, probably 4:20 p.m. or a.m. maybe where you are. Let me know down in the comments what time it is where you are right now. And it is the new Baked Cookies box. This is a swag box. Right on the back, it has some ingredients, cookies. It says baked cookie merch, vegan cookie mix, and baked cookie wraps. You can get it all at www.highhemp.co, but we're gonna check out what's in this box right now. I should open it like this so you guys can see. Let's get baked. Wow. Okay, so I've bought a couple boxes of these already to preview the flavor, because when new flavors come out, I'm kind of really into it. And this is the Baked Cookies High Hemp wrap. In every pouch, you get 2 wraps, and you get some filters in there as well. And as soon as you open each pouch, the aroma of freshly baked cookies hits you right in the nose. And this is an awesome wrap. In addition to the herbal that you're using, whether it's a chamomile flower or a lavender flower or cloves, whatever you choose to wrap and smoke and consume with these wraps, you can actually get naturally occurring CBDs, which are calming for the body. We love that. So thank you for the wraps to High Hemp. Let's see what else we have in here. Check it out. I got a little water bottle with the Baked Cookies High Hemp logo on it. It's really sweet. Digging in, I like these streamers, my favorite color, blue. And this looks like the vegan cookie mix. Yes, this is by Coconut Whisk. It is a vegan and gluten-free chocolate chip cookie mix. Looks really delicious. I cannot wait to bake these. If you guys wanna see me bake these, I'll make another baking video. How about that? What have we here? Looks like, what is this, flag? Is that a flag? It's got cookies on it. Oh no, strings. Oh, wow, check it out. It's a High Hemp apron. Baked cookies motif on there. I'm actually gonna wear this one. The chef is in. It's pretty sweet. Now that I have my apron intact, we'll see what else is in this bad boy. What's this? What have we here? It is a Baked Cookies. One of those little backpack totes, upside down. You know how many cookies I can fit in this thing? I can fit so many cookies in here, it's outrageous. Baked Cookies bag for all of my goodies. And, whoa, check this out. Let's get baked. Let's get baked. That right there, that's a grinder. And it looks like a standard 4-piece grinder. It's got the little keef catcher in the bottom. We love those. We love keef. Basket grinder in that beautiful metallic blue. Oh man, speaking of metallic, this High Hemp Zippo, it's got a cookie on it. I don't know how to light a Zippo, but it's something like that. It's like, It's pretty sweet. Zippo lighter. Stickers. Stickers. It is a bucket of cookies. Very nice. I think I might put that on my laptop. More stickers. More merch, more merch. What's cookies without milk? Baked cookies. And a cookie jar. Oh my goodness. High Hemp gold logo on one side. Beanie. Let's get baked on the other side. We like it. Should I? Should I do it? Yeah, let's do it. Ooh, yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice. It's very, very soft and cozy. I love High Hemp hats. They get the best beanies. They usually are fleece lined, so they're super warm during the winter. It looks like that is everything. I have one more kind of a holographic sticker that says Baked Cookie right there. I want to say a special thank you to High Hemp for sending out all this amazing merch, and I am definitely going to love this and cherish it for life. In the meantime, toke responsibly. I am Effswell, and I'm out of here.